Saudi diplomat story. He's been accused of raping two Nepalese housemaids who worked for him, but he has met officials of the Ministry of External Affairs. We understand he's just met the Joint Secretary as well. He's been citing the Vienna Convention, claiming that he has immunity and no action or investigation can be done. Aditi is with us with more details.
Tanvi, clearly the alleged accused at this point of time who enjoys diplomatic immunity is getting full cooperation and backing from the Embassy of Saudi Arabia. What we're given to understand is that the alleged accused reached North Block. He met the Joint Secretary of the External Affairs Ministry and he cited violation of the Vienna Convention because of the case that has been leveled against him. What we're also given to understand, Tanvi, at this point of time is that the Saudi mission is also in touch with the Joint Secretary of the External Affairs Ministry to see whether or not there has been any violation of the Vienna Convention. Clearly the accused is getting full backing from his embassy, but the government of India making it very clear that this point of time is that they have not yet given any directives to the Gurgaon police. The only thing that the Gurgaon police at this point of time is done is filed an FIR, and even that FIR does not name the accused. It does not mention whether or not the accused enjoys diplomatic immunity. There has been a set of exchanges between the External Affairs Ministry, Tanvi, and the Gurgaon police. There were few reports that the Gurgaon police had sent to the External Affairs Ministry yesterday, and now today the External Affairs Ministry has sought more details of the report of this case, and that we are expecting to go to the ministry by later this evening. So clearly at this point of time, while he has been cornered, the accused is now trying to tap all doors, knock all doors. He went to the External Affairs Ministry. Now the Saudi mission also in touch with the Joint Secretary to see whether or not there has been any sort of violation. Remember, Tanvi, he went all by himself. The External Affairs Ministry had not summoned him. It was only on his own behalf that he had gone to the External Affairs Ministry to cite that the case that has been leveled against him or the charges which have been leveled against